This is the KOMOS Outdoor All Stainless Kegerator, and we're gonna go over why this is awesome.
All right, there's a ton of features to go over, so let's just start at the bottom and work our way up.
First, and most important, is that it vents from the front. And for an outdoor kegerator, that's super important. It's important because that's where all the compressor air exchanges is out front. So you can build this into a cabinet. So meaning if you push this all the way back against the wall, you don't have to worry about heating up that back wall or the airspace down there. It's all coming out the front.
And next comes with casters. They're awesome. They've got locks in it too. It's rolling around. I rolled it through my backyard, went over steps, no problem. And it's also got a lock to keep your pesky neighbors out from stealing your precious beer. All right, so I have this, amazing outdoor space. We just moved into this house. I'd love to integrate this into our countertops. And one of the cool things is, with the front vent, and it also slides in. Check out this door, how it opens up so it'll, not butt up against anything. You can also switch what side it opens on. So if you've got a grill on one side or something else on there and you need to switch the way it opens, you could do that as well. Then you could also cut the countertops that I'm in and place the tower on top of that. So this would sit in the counter and look like it was integrated into our countertops.
Next, interior. It's all stainless. It's gonna last a lifetime. And one of the cool things is there's an integrated step in there, part of the compressor, that you put your CO2 tank on and a nice little strap system to hold it there, tucked away, but right where you need it.
Speaking of the compressor, it's a heavy duty compressor, so it's built to last. This thing, again, it's built for the outdoors, but also the compressor has longer duty cycle than you would on a normal kegerator, so it'll last you a long time.
Interior-wise, you'll notice that there is a blower that goes to a hose right up into your tower. And that's huge for any outdoor kegerator because the thing that's gonna make you foam, see our other video on how to reduce foaming, is heat up in your tower where you're pouring the beer and exchanging that heat. With the fan blowing the cool air up there, it's keeping it recirculated. A lot of times on a hot day, you'll see these faucets sweating a little bit, and that means that they're nice and cool.
All right, inside we also got this awesome control panel that you can do Celsius or Fahrenheit. It also goes from 28 degrees Fahrenheit to 76 degrees Fahrenheit. So you could actually use this as a fermentation chamber as well. It's also super spacious inside. You could fit a half barrel commercial keg or 3 corny kegs.
And the whole thing is just aesthetically beautiful. All this stainless, it's very well built, nice big stainless rack up top. The drip tray is gorgeous. The sides are stainless. The back is stainless. The floor is stainless. It is just built to last. So let's talk about who this is for. This isn't for you're just getting into kegging and you need your first kegerator and it's gonna go in the garage. Probably the price point's not gonna put this where you want it to be. This is for the person who either wants the most aesthetically pleasing kegerator you can get or really wants to have this outdoors and needs something that can hold up to the elements.
I've owned a bunch of kegerators over the years. I've brought them into the outdoor elements on my patio and they eventually fail. This thing's built to last. It's built for the outdoors. So if you're looking for an outdoor kegerator, this is the one. It's also, like I said, it's great for home brewers. It's all duo type fittings. You could use it as a fermentation chamber. It's an awesome kegerator.
And as someone who has brought an indoor kegerator outdoors, because I've done it too, and I've had to have them repaired or sometimes just throw them away and start over, I wish I had just bought the right thing in the beginning and I wouldn't have spent so much money in the long run.
To get more information, go to morebeer.com. The link's below. Make sure you subscribe, and thanks for watching.